know you miss me. I'm back.
Hello YouTube, this is me, Princess Alexa, and today I'm going to try a new thing that is going on viral, and it's about these lashes. I believe it's like $3 lashes, and I turn it into high-end.
Oh yeah, I got you girls.
Excuse my mess here because I was tearing up, and you know I get emotional sometimes, and that's why they're coming off a little bit, and probably you can tell if I close my eyes. I don't know, you probably can tell they are like synthetic. Anyway, doesn't matter, because what I like is the wispy kind of thing, you know, like you can buy them in a store and it literally costs you like $3. It depends what kind, but if you get the cheapest one, it's totally okay. I believe these ones that I have right here, they cost me like $2, $2-3. I think like $2. But anyway, they are really pretty, and this look is it's kind of inspired by the Kardashians, the new KKW eyeshadow palette, so that's why it looks like that. It's already also coming off, so don't worry about that. If you want to see a video specifically for this makeup look, just leave it on the comments below. Let me know down the comments below, and I will try my best to do it as soon as I can, okay? For reals, I want to try to do like videos every Sunday, and I will be uploading them on Monday. I decided that, you know, I want to come back to YouTube, and I really miss doing videos and makeup and DIY videos. You know me girls, that I love me some DIY, so why not? If you can do it yourself, why not? Excuse my henna design, but I was just practicing because I really love henna, and I'm trying like in this one.
Let's not even talk about that one.
I'm sorry if this is distracting too, and I'm sorry about my nails. So if you are interested and you wanna know how it's done, just keep on watching. These are like fairies, and these are like similar to it. Excuse my nails, because I just took my acrylic nails off, and yeah, that's why they look ugly. Anyway, I got 3 different lashes, and also I got 3 different spoolies. You can see this is from the eyebrows, so I just want to use this just I don't know, to try it out. I had never used this before for the eyebrows, but why not, you know? So I just gonna, you know, use it for one of them. And also this spoolie, and these that it came with a brush. I believe this is for brows too. So anyway, first I'm gonna start with getting this one. Oh, this is already like coming loose here. Hope they're gonna come off, and I will like do this. So let's start this one with this. They say you don't have to be gentle, so you have to be kind of rough with them and just wiggle them kind of rough. So let's try this. I'm gonna hold these just in case, because I don't want them to come off. So you just basically do this. I don't know for how long, but they already start getting to look different, like very different, like totally different lashes. And as you guys can see, but they're really looking good. Oh wow, so I don't think I'm gonna buy any high-end lashes for now on. You can do the trick just with cheap lashes. Look at these, oh my goodness, they look like wispy. Look at this, so pretty. Can you guys see this? See the difference? Oh my my gosh, they're so pretty. You can keep wiggling. I don't know. I'm just saying I like it like that. So let's go first side to side. Look at that. Wow, I'm impressed. I wasn't expecting this. I mean, like, come on. Should I knew better? Really? Is this for reals? It is so pretty. They look like natural lashes now. So see, they totally look like two different lashes, as well as you see here. They're like two different lashes. Wow. You can tell on this side. This one. Look at how pretty this looks. Look at that. What? Oh my god, they're so pretty. Okay, let's try the other. Wow, you guys, look at that. They look very, very pretty. Look at how they curled. Like, look at that curl. Before they were flat, and look at now. It's unbelievable. See this? Wow. So that's that. Okay, pass the test with this. So just gonna put it aside then. There, that's that. And next is going to be this one. These are like Ardell, I can remember. Called Fairy Lashes. So I'm gonna take it out of the pack and I'm gonna use this big spoolie. And I'm gonna do the same. This gonna look more like, I don't know, longer. Anyway, I already started on this one. Yeah. So let's get messy here, and with this spoolie to see if it makes any difference. I think this spoolie does make difference. I believe that the smaller spoolie will be better. I don't know, maybe it's just this one is not doing anything. It's gonna seem like. If you ask me, can I look shorter now? Like the original one? I don't know. You guys see this? I'm gonna try, let's say, with the other spoolie to see. I'm gonna try this one, the same one I used for the other. It looks better. Do you guys see? They still have kind of the same shape, but the lashes are coming up. Yeah, some lashes are falling off, as you can see here. See, I believe they are the longest lashes. I'm not sure, but it could be. Oh my gosh, it's coming off. Anyway, I don't want to stress them more because they are coming off. Look at these. But anyway, this is how they look. I believe this spoolie has something to do, because if you guys see, this one is still longer, even though more lashes are falling off out of this one with this spoolie than the other one. So I totally suggest for you guys to get a smaller brow spoolie. That'll be perfect, I believe. So if you already have some, because normally when you buy the eyebrow pencils, they come also with the spoolie. So like this Revlon, so it came here with the spoolie, you know. So I think it's better with this one. Anyway, it didn't make much of a difference, but yeah, it is some. It made some, you know, compared to what it was. So that's that with this spoolie. It's better than the lashes spoolie, okay? So this is for the lashes, this is for the eyebrows. Okay, for my nets, I got these IMB Remy hair, supposed to be 100% human hair. All these stays to be 100% human hair. These are coming off. That one did not, and let's see this one. These have a lot of package. Oh, it glues on the bottom. Anyway. Okay, these are little bitty tiny ones. So I guess it would be perfect for these kind of spoolie, because these are small. They look small though. And that's how they look. They're pretty just as they are. And they have this triangular shape. They're pretty. Okay, let's see if I can mess them up. I see that with the smaller spool, it kind of curls them up. I don't know, for some reason. You see how flat they are over here? And look at how they turn. They get curled up like this. You see, they're looking pretty. Let me do some more. See? Oh my god. These are super curled. And as I say, you dolls, I suggest for you to get like a smaller spoolie. It'll be better because it kind of helps curling up really. See, since these are like a smaller version of these, I decided to get it with a smaller spoolie. And as well as you see here, they are looking gorgeous. They're like a high end. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty they look. Wow, this is a big difference. I know they look shorter, but the reason why they look shorter is because they are curled, and you see this curl is higher. So instead of like going down like that to look longer, they're just curled up. So you know how to curl them, and just put them on and you're done. So look at the difference. I mean, like, come on, it looks super cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other, and then I'm gonna wear, I don't know, I'm thinking these ones because they are longer, but see the difference. Let me open this case. Just a comparison real quick. You see these were longer anyway, but this was shorter version. So now they are like kind of wispy lashes. I'm gonna say that this looks way prettier than these ones, even though maybe because of the shape of them. Remember, this was like diamond shape, and these are also diamond shape, but like more, I don't know, different. I totally, as I said, it's worth it to buy cheap. They only last like a couple of times. If you buy the human hair, they will last you like longer. If you get the human hair version. If you buy synthetic version, I don't know. These are synthetic, I think. I'm not sure. They're all supposed to be human hair, but they look synthetic. Here also says that it's a human hair. I'm not sure about that. Actually, I have never tried this brand keys. I know this is from the drugstore in Ardale as well. But anyway, So I'll get done with this and then I'll work on. By the way, you guys, this secret, I just noticed that now that I'm trying with the smaller spoolie, with the brass spoolie, with that you can get at the drugstore, I see on these ones there were the flat ones. See how they're getting curled now, and then getting more separated. You see this? Look at the difference. And these ones with this split, which is the smaller one, works perfectly for this one. Perfectly. It's just like curling up. See? This one is separated them, and they look pretty now. So my suggestion: the smaller the spoolie it is, the better for the lashes. And you can get any cheap lashes. They will still look pretty, like really high-end and expensive lashes. Look at this. See the difference? The smaller it is, I guess it can help it with the corn. I don't know what it does, but it's better for the lashes. So just to keep that in mind, that if you wanted like more fluffier lashes, then this is the right spoolie for you. They're pretty now. They're pretty and curled, and before they were flat. So they are gorgeous.
Back.